Hi there, I'm glad you're back and ready to keep working on those long E vowel teams as we continue this cycle together. Today's purpose is to focus on reading fluently. This is Module 1, Cycle 3, Lesson 14.
Materials.
Today you'll need that thinking cap again. I'm sure you have it ready to go. The first learning target for today says, I can find regularly spelled high-frequency words in a list of words. We'll be doing our snap and trap practice again today so that we can focus in on those snap words. The second learning target says, I can read a text fluently, smoothly, with expression and meaning, rereading and self-correcting when necessary. Remember, we did this in Cycle 2, so this time we should be ready to go. I can't wait to hear your fluent reading.
Word work.
Earlier in the cycle, we focused more on our trap words, those words that don't play fair. Today, let's see if we can find some snap words in our list, the ones that we're able to easily decode based on their vowel sounds and syllable types. Let's jump right into these words. First, we have the word can. Say it. An. I hear a short A sound, and I know that we have a closed syllable because the N closes in the vowel. The N makes sure we have our short A sound. Since it follows the rule of our closed syllable, that seems like a snap. Here it goes into our chart. Let's try another one. This is the word some. Say it. I notice a magic E, but I don't hear a long O sound. That does not play fair. It's a trap. Great thinking. Here it goes. Our next word says had. Say it. Again, it looks like a closed syllable. The D is closing in that vowel to make a short A sound. Add. It seems like a regular closed syllable. That's a snap word. Here it goes into the chart. This is the word have. Say it. Again, I see a magic E, but it isn't doing its job because there's no long A sound. Av. It's still making a short A sound. That's quite tricky. It must be a trap word. Here it goes into the chart. Next, we have the word we. We is an open syllable. There's no consonant closing it in. It's making that long E sound because it's open and free to say its own name. It does what we think it should do. That's a snap. There it is in our chart.
Transition song.
Can you read this fluently, smoothly, with expression, please? Can you read this fluently with expression and with meaning?
Fluency.
Our song just gave us reminders about what fluent readers do. A fluent reader Read smoothly with expression and meaning at just the right speed. When we take a look here, we have a small excerpt from our decodable book that we read together earlier in the cycle. This time, we're going to focus in on how our voice matches what's happening. Let's try it together. James and Sam walk to the park. There is a big pond and some creeks and streams. I have never been to that stream, says James. James and Sam go to the stream. What do fish eat? Asks Sam. I think they will eat cheese. I will put it on our line, says James. Did that sound like my fluent reading? I don't think so. I did read the words correctly, but my voice did not match what was happening. Let's try it again, focusing on reading with expression and with meaning. Here we go. Read along with me this time. James and Sam walk to the park. There is a big pond and some creeks and streams. I have never been to that stream, says James. James and Sam go to the stream. What do fish eat? Asks Sam. I think they will eat cheese. I will put it on our line, says James. Wow, notice how different that was compared to the first time. It was much more fluent. Thanks for helping me.
Closing reflection.
How did you take responsibility for your learning today? What does it look like to be a proficient reader? Yes, that's right. Reading smoothly, with expression and meaning, and at just the right speed. That's reading with fluency. As a proficient reader, reading with fluency is very important. Remember to practice what we did today when you are reading on your own. I know as you practice more independently, you'll get the hang of fluent reading in no time. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.